Metadata Utility Caption Management. From the main switchboard, click on Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Object and Caption Management Switchboard, followed by clicking on Caption Management. This will open up the Caption Management window. Metadata Utility comes with a pre-built list of every single available field, as well as an example of a value to rename those applicable fields. However, in the event that a user may have had inadvertently deleted some of those fields and they wish to re-enter that information, in that case, a user can simply select on Add New to set the Caption Management window in edit mode to add additional fields back for management. Let's have a look at our live demo. Here we have our main metadata utility application with some of the most commonly used interfaces opened. We want for this particular example to change the caption on Metadata Utility's main interface. We have to first activate the management on that interface, and for that we have a separate video that we welcome users to click on, but for purposes of this video we will do that just quickly on this example. We go into Maintenance Switchboard, followed by Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, followed by Option and Caption Management Switchboard, followed by Object Management, and we are going to activate Metadata Utility for management. Once that we closed the Object Management window, we still see that Metadata Utility is still showing its default installation field value names. To change those to the custom management that we just activated, we simply need to reopen that interface. It is not necessary to close the entire application. Therefore, let's click on Close and reopen Metadata Utility back again. In this particular case, we have to navigate in Object and Caption Management back to the main switchboard page. So we click on Return to Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, Return to Maintenance Switchboard, and lastly, Return to Main Switchboard. Once on the main page, we click on Enter/View Information Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Switchboard, and lastly, clicking on Metadata Utility to launch the application. Now we will see that each field has been renamed as we have activated the Object Management for Metadata Utility. Even Metadata Utility has been renamed to XML-U. Now, for purpose of this example, we're going to change the custom management of the field names in Metadata Utility. As we see, each field has been renamed. Title, for example, is now renamed to TLT period 01. search has been changed from search to look. Well, let's change that value to something different. We go back again to the main page in Metadata Utilities main switchboard. We go back to our maintenance switchboard, lookup maintenance switchboard, object and caption management switchboard, and now we go into caption management. And we will see that here we have the different fields that are available to have them custom renamed. We're going to change, for purposes of this example, the search field. Instead of reading now look, we're going to change that value. In order to do so, we will look in the set of available fields, and as we look almost at the bottom of this page in caption management, we see here the search label that is now renamed to look. Let's change that to find. To edit a record, simply double click on a particular record that wants to be edited to set up in edit mode. This will be highlighted by a yellow background showing that the fields are in edit mode. So we move to the particular value that we want to change, and we are going to change now the value from look to find. We will notice that each of the values that we want to manage has also an active checkbox. If we wish to deactivate any specific field, then we simply click out on the checkbox to deactivate the management on that particular field, and that will return that particular field to the default management, the automatic default management on the default configuration in Metadata Utility. To have these changes take effect, we simply need to close Caption Management, and in Metadata Utility we need to close and reopen the application. So let's do that, and now reopen it again. And we go back to the main switchboard page, and we go back to Metadata Utilities switchboard, and we launch the application. And as we see here, now the name of the search field has been renamed from the previous value of look to now the value of find. Again, if we want to change that back to look for this particular example, we repeat the process again. We go back to the main switchboard, we go back to the object and caption management switchboard, and once that we are in the caption management, let's change that field from find to look again. And let's change another field just in case. Let's change the title. As we see here, let's change the title that has been renamed to TLT01. Let's change it, just for purposes of this example, let's change it to 01 TLT period. Again, we have those changes take effect. Simply close the caption management window, We close and reopen Metadata Utility's main interface. On the main switchboard, we simply go back to the main page, then navigate to Metadata Utilities switchboard and launch the application again. As we will see here, our search field, we have renamed it back to look, and the first title field, we have renamed it to 01TLT dot. We search for any records, we will see that the application is fully functional. To change back Metadata Utilities to go back to the default Caption Management, we simply deactivate the object management for that particular interface. So let's do that. We go back to our maintenance switchboard and we go back to our object management switchboard. And let's change back first the title field back to the way it was before. Then we scroll down until we find that particular field. In this particular case is the title field, and we're going to change it back to the way it was. And we close the caption management. And as we said for this example, we want to deactivate the caption management and return the Metadata Utility to its default field naming convention. Then we simply go into object management and we simply deactivate Metadata Utility from the object management feature. And we close the object management window and proceed to close and reopen Metadata Utility to return each renamed value or each renamed field back to its default behavior. We click on close button that at this moment is saying bye, and we will reopen Metadata Utility to see the changes back to its default standard behavior. And as we have it back again, we see that Metadata Utilities interface is back to its default naming convention. This feature basically can be used on any of the other interfaces as we have some of them open at this moment, and that it can be particularly useful for users that have a different language and they want to change Metadata Utilities to their language, and or users that want to customize Metadata Utility to have fields being renamed to their own liking. For any questions or additional information with regard to this functionality, as well as to any of the other features that are built in Metadata Utility that enable users to fully manage their Windows Media Center movie library, movie information, known as metadata information. We welcome our users to click on any of the other videos that we have available that dive into each of the built-in functionalities in Metadata Utility, as well as to visit our website where we have detailed instructions step-by-step on each of the major features and functionalities built in Metadata Utility that enables users to fully manage their Windows Media Center movie library metadata information, or also known as movie details. Our website is metadatautility.com. We thank you for watching.